Hello, Tesla fanatics, lovers, and fans. Welcome to my channel, Living and Driving Tesla. In today's video, we're doing some cutting. Stick around for it. Let's go.
Breathe in, breathe out.
That's right. We are doing some serious cutting today. My steering wheel. And since I am no professional at any industry or anything I do, for that matter, I'm pretty sure I'm not using the right tool. Maybe the right blade, but not the right tool. But either way, this baby is getting cut and custom made. Alright, here it is. Sure, this is not entirely the right tool, but it's gonna get the cuts done. Gonna do one right here and right here. Let's start with those. So now that I'm done cutting it, I'm gonna get it reposted.
When you look at it, this area here inside, this piece comes folded over and a stitch around it.
Got it. All right.
Okay, and we glue those all together. The bottom part now. It doesn't show anyway. That is on the bottom.
Yeah, not too much.
Yeah. Okay.
Day 2, day 3, day 5.
Looks like my steering wheel is done. Let's go get it. Alright, so after picking up the steering wheel, we're gonna take out the old one, change the parts to the new one, and give you guys a finished product. Let's go. There you have it, the one-of-a-kind steering wheel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like the video. Please share. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, when I get to make the next video, we'll have a whole lot more chrome in the interior. Until next time, goodbye.